Sexual Harassment Resources for the Entertainment Industry. Chapter 1. Cosby and Weinstein represent entitled rich guys. Don't fall for the casting couch. SAG-AFTRA Equal Opportunity and Diversity. saga-aftra.org/membership-equity-policy-against-unlawful-discrimination-and-harassment. Diversity at saga-aftra.org. SAG-AFTRA EEO and Diversity Department, 800-724-0767. 323-549-6644. 212-827-1542. Emergency Hotline. 844, Safer Set. 844-723-3773. Resources to stop them treating you like a sex object. dga.org/news/2018/mar2018/dga-procedures-for-sexual-harassment-complaints.aspx. 310-289-2006. Emocampo@dga.org. DGA Safety Hotline. 800-342-3457. UGA West. wga.org/contracts/no-your-rights/sexual-harassment/statement-of-principles-on-sexual-harassment. 323-782-4185. UGA East. ugaeast.org/no-your-rights/sexual-harassment-resource-guide. Director of Legal Services. 212-767-7844. abertic@ugaeast.org. 925. 925.org. National Membership Organizations of Working Women in the U.S. 800-522-0925. California Department of Fair Employment and Housing. dfa.ca.gov. 800-884-1684. Division of the State Government responsible for investigating unlawful discrimination in employment, including sexual harassment. Entertainment Community Fund. Actors Fund. Entertainmentcommunity.org. actorsfund.org. Los Angeles, 323-933-9244. New York, 917-281-5919. Chicago, 312-372-0989. Provides free, confidential counseling, support, and legal referrals to all professionals in performing arts and entertainment. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, EEOC. eeoc.gov/laws/guidance/fact-sheet-sexual-harassment-discrimination. 800-669-4000. Legal Aid at Work. legalaid@work.org. Rape, Abuse and Incest National Network, RAIN. RAIN.org. 1-800-656-HELP, 4673. Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. National Suicide Prevention Hotline. 988-LEAFELINE.org. 1-800-273-TALK, 8255. BetterBrave.com. Online guide to help targets of sexual harassment understand their rights and options for addressing issues with an employer. Producersguild.org/IPSI. Womeninfilm.org/help. 1-855 WIF line. 1-855-943-5463.